Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So are you looking for a specific item? Facebook Marketplace makes it easy to search, filter and find exactly what you need in seconds. Search by keyword, filter by price and location, sort by newest or closest, find local deals fast. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to search Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing, what search in marketplace means. So searching allows you to find specific items, compare prices, discover local deals, connect or contact sellers instantly. So the more specific your search, the better the results. Okay, so first thing first, open the Facebook application, tap Marketplace icon. Okay, on desktop, click Marketplace from the left sidebar. Okay, you can tap the search bar at the top here. Type your keyword, for example, iPhone 15, sofa, bike. Okay, so let's, for example, type any item here, just for sake of examples. So press search, results appear instantly, listings match your keyword, use specific brand plus model for better results. Okay, so you can tap location, enter, for example, your city, adjust radius slider, smaller radius equals closer items, larger radius equals more options. So always confirm the correct city. Okay, that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.